Hey guys, welcome back to Doug's Basement Workshop. So today we're talking about something that's kind of boring and mundane. But it's a big part of woodworking, at least in my shop, and that is my Forstner bits. This is the 8-piece RYOBI set. I burn through my Forstner bits fast enough that I find it nice to buy cheap ones. I want sharp tips. These are okay to sharpen. You can only sharpen them a couple of times before you start losing your size and it gets just a little off. I sharpen them 2 or 3 times. I buy a new pack every year pretty much because there's only 2 or 3 sizes in here that I really use. That's my 1-inch and my 1/2 inch. My 1/2 inch is the one that I use for all my robots. If you look back, I have a drill press video I did. My other drill press started going a little oval instead of making a straight down circle, and I ended up bending a bunch of my Forstner bits. So I bought a new set, and I will probably buy the set that's bigger than 1 inch as well. I love my Forstner bits. I use them quite a bit, but I only use like 3 or 4 sizes, and that's probably why I burn them up. Mostly pine and cherry, so it's not super hardwoods that I'm drilling through. But a decent Forstner bit in the drill press, guys. Go buy new sets. You can sharpen them a couple of times. I have not found that I use them enough to justify expensive Forstner bits yet. I'm still at the RYOBI brand Forstner bit, and they do an excellent job for quite a while. My biggest problem is I'm using them to drill into end grain. I drill into the end grain for robots. I drill into the end grain when I'm going to be chucking something up in the lathe, and that kind of ruins your bits pretty quick drilling into the end grain. Tip for the Forstner bits, guys: slow your drill press down. If you're using a hand drill, don't run it wide open. Forstner bits do not do well at high speed. They like slow speeds. So guys, Forstner bits, go pick up a set. It's going to be worth it for you, and if you're new to woodworking, this is a great price point to get into some Forstner bits. I like them. Like I said, they last me about a year before I have to replace them. Go check it out.